Traverse City Airshow. Let's go. The Blue Angels. Right. I'm gonna find them. Right there.
They're above the apartments.
Yep.
Got to go over the bay.
Oh.
There's one. He's going pretty fast. He just turned.
Oh, all the way over there.
I don't know what you're doing. It's looking for pants on.
Mom.
Well, this just started when I got here, didn't it?
It wasn't as busy, but like.
Yep, pockets.
Woo! The Blue Angels. Oh my gosh. Oh.
What do you think they're gonna meet?
Over there by the airport. Over there by the airport. Mom, Natalie's home alone. She's home alone for 3 hours.
You can see the shadow from the cloud over the trees over there. See that stuff?
Oh, there's one right there.
He's watching this one too.
Yeah, I'm recording on.
He's turning.
Oh, he is.
Whoa.
Mom, just like yesterday, Big Bertha cleared the area. No, wait.
Oh, Big Bertha did today too?
Yeah.
I miss Big Bertha.
What do you mean, Big Bertha? What do you mean you miss Big Bertha? Yes, please. That's it, they're coming right at us.
I don't even see him. I think you're good. That van's kind of in the way. Do you want to go over there?
Over where?
Or see where those people are sitting in the chairs on the sidewalk?
No, Mom.
Do you want to go to the sidewalk?
Wait, over there.
Oh, you want to sit on top of the...
On top of the truck?
Yeah.
I can
I
do.
don't want him to dent it. But it's up to you. Do you want to? You just have to be really careful.
No, I'm not going to risk it.
If you just sit there.
Just sit on it. Don't stand on it.
Well, Mom, how am I going to plug both my ears when I have a phone in my hand?
I don't know.
There they come.
Mom, plug my ears. They're right there! Oh my gosh! Yes!
That wasn't that loud.
Did you see them before the Airshow?
Yeah, I think you've seen more sitting up here.
You do. With the Blue Angels, at least. With the other ones.
You know it's all locals. The people who aren't out of state plates are probably from here. I guarantee it. Like that van over there. I guarantee they're from here.
They probably just got that. But
Here they are over the bay.
Yup. They're over by the bay. Where the watermelons grow.
Cherry trees grow.
No! It's
The cherry trees grow by the bay here.
how? Oh,
Here they come. Where's the fifth guy? Oh, is there?
oh, I hear him. I hear him. No, I just saw him behind the tree. Right there. Woo!
Where? Oh, there's one.
Oh!
Oh, do you see that? He's spinning.
Oh my gosh, he's spinning. I got that. Wait.
Yeah, I think Christy and them go to Bryant Park.
Where's Brian?
It's kind of by the high school and college. It's not as busy over there.
Oh, there it is.
But it's on West Bay still.
Love you.
Right. That's what it is. I've actually been by them pretty more. Not. I just expect them to be worse.
You think?
Oh, I hear them.
If you look up there,
Trees
up here.
Now the sun's going towards me. Sandy's going ahead of us. Yep.
Here, cover up the license. Oh, wait. Wait for it.
We're watching them, and that one sneaks up behind us on the bay.
Yes.
That's what.
Oh!
That's what that just did.
Oh my gosh, I remember that.
Did you see that, Seth?
Wait, did it just go in the clouds?
He did. He went through it.
You guys, did you see how high that is?
It's a rocket.
Guys, did you see how high he is?
Yeah. There's one up here too. This guy's so high you can't even see him now.
Bet you he's in the clouds.
No.
That's 4 of them up there.
That's one. That's just one up there.
That's why.
Oh.
That's why I just came So,
He's gonna go in the cloud again.
this is the other
Maybe.
4.
Or is it too low?
Where's the other four?
Right there.
Where?
Like coming across the bay.
Oh!
He's not towards Wayne. Oh, he's going to the bay now. Right in front of him, you'll see it.
Mom, I feel like they just went over AJ's school.
Oh, there they are.
Mom, I think they just went over AJ's school.
See that?
Now I'm sitting back here.
I'm gonna get in the chair. Is that okay?
Sure. But like, when like one is going to fly over the can you cut my ears?